Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to log out of WhatsApp web from all devices. The first thing will be to open WhatsApp. Then, on the main screen, click on the three-point menu, then click on Linked Devices. Here will appear the list of browsers and devices where you have started the WhatsApp web session. We also see that in each session, information appears on when was the last time it was active or if it is currently active. To log out of each of them, click on the device you want to remove. You will see that a pop-up sign appears where we must press Log Out. It may take a while to log out, but this is normal. Repeat the steps on those devices where you want to sign out. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.